Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram kicking out. To know how to fix Instagram kicking out, you should just go to settings. As you see, you will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here like this, and when you will see this list you will enter to the application of Instagram. After this you will go to force stop, and when you will end this you will enter to storage. Then you will find this page, you will click clear cache, then you will click clear data, and after all that you can update your application so that you can know how to fix Instagram kicking out. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.